This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the door sill flange and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill. The fuel filter is located on the front left-hand corner of the fuel tank. Depress the clip and release the filter retaining bracket. Squeeze together the tabs and disconnect the fuel pipe from each end of the filter. Be prepared for fuel spillage. Note the arrows on the side of the filter indicating fuel flow. These arrows must point towards the fuel pipe leading to the engine compartment. Press the pipes firmly onto each end of the filter, ensuring the clips engage. Refit the retaining bracket and check it's secure. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground.